Okay, this is my recently partially repaired Apple II Plus keyboard. This is a original keyboard company, otherwise known as Datanetics keyboard. And so the eagle-eyed amongst you may recognize that there is in fact a key missing. My D key was broken, and D is pretty important if you want to load software, various other commands. Various attempts at spraying contact cleaner in it and wiggling it around didn't work. I have a replacement key switch on order, but that won't be here for a while, so I took out my repeat key. I can do without automatically repeating keys for a while, and switch the repeat key switch over to the D. I get you. I know, you're very interested in all this, aren't you? Yes, you are. I should take a moment to recognize the fact that not only is this keyboard assembly from Datanetics eminently repairable, but the fact that the printed circuit board is hand-drawn. You won't get those curves and junctions and loops from any auto router. That is some strong-willed man or woman with a sheet of Rubylith drawing out the PCB, at least on this original keyboard. The keyboard encoder has more regular lines, which may or may not have come out of a CAD system. But this original keyboard assembly from Datanetics, you don't see that sort of stuff anymore. Anyway, let's plug it in and see if it works. Okay, I know it's super sacrilegious to have my Commodore 1702 attached to an Apple product, but it's the only good composite monitor I have at the moment. So let's crank it up. There's a beep. There's a prompt. There's my cat. Let's see if our D key works. L-O-A D. D, 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 D. Hey, our D key works. Awesome. Hey, oh yeah, I forgot the fact that Basic only, or AppleSoft only takes the first, what is it, 6 characters? 4 characters? Anyway, reset. Hey, load works. Duh. Yay, awesome. Let's try and load some software. Okay, as evidenced by my incredibly sophomoric demo program, my D key is now working. Run. After having a brief scare where my R key didn't want to work all that well. Ah, crap. Now either my control or my C key doesn't work. Ah, shit. More cleaning. Now let's see if we can get some stuff to run from cassette now that we can load. L-O-A-D. Oh. In case you're wondering, yes, I'm using a $3,600 MacBook as a cassette deck for a 1979 Apple II. Will it work this time? Wait for it. Oh! Trying to get Color DemoSoft to load. Almost. 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 Oh, that's a good load. Run. Run. Yes. It works. You know what I want? I want that kaleidoscope. Oh, look at them graphics, yo. So many 8 colors. Oh, yeah. Wow, that only took like 20 minutes to successfully load. Oh, shit. Brian Howard. Copyright 1979. wherever you are, Brian Howard. Thank you for your pretty moire patterns.